Hello guys, welcome to my channel Monitech FX. Here we provide lots of earning opportunities from online like forex trading, share trading, airdrops, cryptocurrency investments like that. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel Monitech FX and also our Telegram channel. Thank you guys for supporting us. Today we will discuss about forex trading. How to open a forex trading app and make profitable from this. Before that, we have to understand what is forex trading. So, forex trading become popular nowadays. It is also called foreign exchange. The short form is forex. The international currency market is involves participants from around the world. They buy and sell different currencies. Currency trading participants comprise of banks, central banks like RBI, investment management firms, hedge funds, retail forex brokers, and also investors like you. These are here to make profit. In India context, currency futures are cash settled. This means such currency trading in India is not physically settled and there is no actual delivery of currencies on exchange. Currency futures are traded on platforms offered by exchanges like National Stock Exchanges, Bombay Stock Exchange, and MCX. And the current timing here is 9 am to 5 pm. First of all, we know the basics. What is currency trading and how it is to be done and how we will make profit from this. The first thing to remember is that in currency trading, the trade is always between a pair of currencies like Euro USD. Euro USD rates represents the number of US dollar 1 euro can buy. If you think the euro will increase the value against the US dollar, you buy euros with dollars. When exchange rate rises, you sell the euros back, you will cash your profit. So this is the basic knowledge and what is the background of forex trading. Before that you make an invest in forex trading, you should choose a reliable broker. I choose OctaFX. OctaFX, what is the benefits? Benefits are it is a reliable and secure broker. It is from UK. Second thing is it is having fast deposit and withdrawal. Third thing is it is having low spreads. Spreads means kya? Spreads means buy or selling. The difference between is very small. So you can buy and sell quickly with maximum profit. Leverage it is having 1.5, means you have $1, then you can buy an amount of $500. Fourth thing is swap. If you hold currencies more than one day, you will having swap charges, but here OctaFX having low swap charges. Fifth thing is commission. There is no commission for buy and sell forex pairs, and it is having 50% deposit bonus. Whatever amount you have deposit, you have to claim or bonuses, which is having varies from 10%, 20%, 30% and 50%. The bonuses will be automatical, means you have deposit $100 amount, then you can claim the bonus of 50% like $50 in your account. But there is a target for trading. The trading target means you have to trade more lots that which you have provided. You have to target to fill up that lots and you will get the bonus back in your account. You can withdraw that amount. Sixth thing is claim and reward redeem. Whatever you trade, you have to, whatever you are to trade the lots, you have to claim your prizes. And also another thing is you can participate in contests. We'll know here how to deposit. First go to the deposit, then deposit in account. Here there are many deposit options that you can deposit from, many options. Indian local banks, Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies. Here it is no commission, best exchange rates, 50% deposit. Continue it. You have fill up the amount and continue it. It will ask for, you have to pay UPI name, and payment will be reflected. Fourth thing is we have to go to the screen how to make trades. Before that we have to learn how to open and how to install the app. Here search MetaTrader 4 app, install it, and it automatically opens a trading account. Here it is many tradings were going on. Euro USD, you can change the view like advanced views, simple view, advanced view. Okay, now trade. Here is the price going on. I want to buy Euro USD. Go to here, new order, then buy here. I am here buy one lot. This is the buy rate is 1.18238 and now my sell rate is 1.8217. So I am having now $20 loss. I have balance of 1 lakh USD and I am having USD dollar. Now I am going to in loss. This is my spread. This is 5 minutes chart. If I have to change it, just tap on the screen. You will get 15 minutes chart, 30 minutes chart, 1 hour chart, like that. If you want to choose a particular point and what is the rate about it, then go to the plus and choose the where you see the real price. Tap it. Now my profit is -30. Price goes down, then I again buy. If your selling continues, you can also place sell orders. You can buy limit, put buy limit also. Here you can change the buy limit, place Here you can see this is the buy limit, this is the sell, this is the buy, everything you can do. Okay guys, and if you want to sell it, just square up it, then press then close the order with loss this. And this is the profit section, $20 loss, and this is the amount remaining. And these screens will show how much you have holding. And in OctaFX we have to here contests, champion demo contest, OctaFX 16 cards contest, you can use it. You can withdraw here and put or withdrawal options like here, and for bonus this is the bonus amount. You can open the real account here. This is the options for opening accounts. You can change your according to your requirement and proceed. And in contests, you open 16. There is a 16 cards contest here. And also you can check your dashboard for details. This is a price lots. In price lots I have traded and my price lots are remaining this. You can claim cap, t-shirts like this, whatever you trade, that is all are noted down, and you want to claim these items for free. And there is a lot minus. I have already t-shirts, 2 t-shirts and 1 cap. Very good opportunity here for forex trading in OctaFX. Just choose my referral and make an account and start your fast trading. Thank you guys. Like my video, subscribe my video and share it. Thank you.